Green Gems, the Pea Chronicles, takes viewers on a delightful journey into the world of peas, exploring their rich history, nutritional benefits, agricultural significance, and the diverse roles they play in culinary creations around the world. The documentary begins by uncovering the humble beginnings of peas, tracing their history from wild legumes to cultivated varieties. Explore the journey of peas as they became a cherished part of human diets and agriculture. Dive into the palette of pea varieties, from garden peas to snow peas and snap peas. Agricultural experts and botanists guide viewers through the distinct characteristics and culinary uses of each pea type, showcasing the diversity within the pea family. Take a scenic tour through pea fields, witnessing the cultivation process from planting to harvesting. Farmers share their insights into the optimal conditions for growing peas and the sustainable practices employed to ensure a bountiful harvest. Explore the culinary symphony of peas in the kitchen. Chefs and home cooks demonstrate the versatility of peas in a range of dishes, from classic pea soups and risottos to innovative salads and side dishes. Experience the harmony of flavors that peas bring to the table. Delve into the nutritional benefits of peas, known for their high protein content, vitamins, and fiber. Nutritionists discuss the health advantages of incorporating peas into a balanced diet and their role in supporting overall well-being. Immerse yourself in the festive atmosphere of pea celebrations, from pea festivals to local events honoring the pea harvest. Experience the joyous occasions that highlight the cultural significance of peas in various communities. Green Gems, the Pea Chronicles, explores sustainable farming practices in pea cultivation. Experts discuss the importance of responsible agriculture in minimizing environmental impact and preserving the integrity of pea crops. Green Gems, the Pea Chronicles, concludes by celebrating the charm and versatility of peas. This documentary invites viewers to appreciate the rich tapestry of pea varieties, savor their nutritional benefits, and consider the vital role peas play in both culinary traditions and sustainable agriculture.